Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to create custom stickers from your photos in WhatsApp. So let's open WhatsApp and you want to go to any chat. Now let's tap on this sticker in the bottom left corner of your screen, and then you want to tap on option create sticker. So now you want to find the photo from your gallery that you want to use. I will go with this one, and let's tap on preview option. So here you can review your photo, and then let's tap done button, and you will see the created sticker by WhatsApp, but you can customize it a little bit. So at the top toolbar you can edit your sticker. You can tap on this option in order to add sticker or emoji icon like this, and you can edit that. As well, you can add text, and you can tap this pencil icon in order to draw on your sticker like this. So yeah, and after this, when you're done, tap send button. And also, if you want to save it for future chats, then you want to tap send sticker, and then let's select add to favorites, and you will see it here in your favorites. So that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.